Hello, WordPress website creators and owners. Look at this page. This page shows multiple social media posts on the same page, like Facebook is here, YouTube, Pinterest, Instagram, TikTok, or Instagram again, and the YouTube, and there are mixed posts that we can see on this page. And you also want to show similar post on your WordPress website. So it is a very common requirement for all websites, in fact. So all the businesses have social media accounts and they are regularly posting the post on the Facebook, YouTube videos are there, Instagram posts are there. So there are certain feeds regularly being generated, but the official website is not connected or even not connected properly, we can say, with the social media accounts. And this is why the business is losing the promoting social media and the website at the same time. So we got a very wonderful and a very important question from one of our regular visitors. How can I show social media posts and feeds on my WordPress website page? So this is a very common requirement, not only for WordPress. And you are also welcome to ask any question related to WordPress website here on the iCreate program. I believe you are a regular visitor and all the regular visitors are well aware about this program. Right. So I'm really thankful for all those who are making this program so successful. So it is all for WordPress website help. So the main point is how we can configure this wall for our WordPress website, irrespective which theme is being used, which plugins are being used. So it is all not so important. So it is only important thing what we are considering here, how we can show the various social media accounts at our single WordPress page or can be different styles. So, like filtrations are here Facebook, the YouTube, Pinterest, Instagram, and the other social media accounts. And the designing and styles may be different. So, you have multiple choices with the solution that we are going to discuss. Like this is wall layout, so it can be different. And with the post details and the content of the post, like, and there might be several, like carousel is also very popular. So this is the carousel layout, the hover effect. You can see it is coming, the all posts coming from the different social media account, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and all. And you can explore all these cards, how you wanted to show, how you wish to show the social content at your official website or your business website, we can say. So, like, the solution is very popular on the WordPress cloud, we can say, and it is social stream for WordPress. And uh, using this, you can add Facebook, YouTube, Instagram feed to your WordPress website. In fact, there are many feeds that you can use, right? And okay, so I'm going to show you all the important screen about this plugin. So you can unite multiple sources under same roof. So you can manage the sources from which the feeds are coming from and use different layouts that is on you, and you can even customize and publish options. So you can automatically add content to your WordPress using this plugin simply. And you can engage your audience here and you can get more views, likes, reports, uh, uh, reposts and followers, and you can even increase the social media capital. So all details can be seen here through the video description link, and this plugin can be bought at code canyon.net through the video description link just for $49. And in this $49 you are going to get quality check by Envato, the future updates for this plugin, and the 6 month support from the original plugin developer. And the original plugin developers are really very good, so they really created a very useful thing for WordPress website. Looks awesome are the author, and they are of course Power Elite author. This plugin particularly has got 23,000 sales as of now and has got and getting very good reviews from its existing users. So I'm not promoting this plugin, I'm just sharing the facts that you can also see on the screen, and you can watch the demo here. So the demo is here, and I have already shown you the demo, in fact. Now Very quickly, I'm taking you to the backend of an installation. Here is the installed Word. So I have already installed the plugin, and here we can start. And it is very simple to configure. You just need your credentials and you just need to authorize the feeds, and it will start showing on the pages where you are putting the short code or using the credentials to show the feeds. So here on the screen, we have the settings, the authorization, the database, the activation of this plugin, the extra and the status. So I'll show you very quickly on this screen. First of all, the setting screen is here, and who can moderate, you can simply judge or decide. For a WordPress website, it can be administrator, the author and all. And the data format can be short or classic or WordPress data format. Open links in new tab can be enabled, disabled simply by toggling the button. Disable proxy picture, disable C URL flow location, and the use IP version 4 protocol. These are the settings that you can read all the details what these settings brings at your website. Further, we have the ports HTTP for HTTPS for all resources, amount to be stored post. For each post, like 100 is here. Notify about the broken feeds, alternative way to render short code, and remove all data on uninstalling this plugin. So the setting screen says this. And first of all, we need to create a feed when you are willing to start showing the post at your social account. So you can simply create feeds here. So in the feed area, you can connect your Facebook, the Instagram, the TikTok, the Pinterest, the YouTube, the LinkedIn, and the Flickr account, even the Tumblr, the WordPress itself, and the Foursquare, and the SoundCloud, the Dribble account, and RSS feed itself. So these are the feeds that you can directly integrate using this plugin for your WordPress website. So you just need to select and put the credentials. Like if you are selecting the Facebook, you can choose the feed type. It can be paid, the page with restrictions, the album, or you can choose the content to slow. So content to show is access token. Here the access token is required, of course. So you can use the authorization tab of Facebook account, and you need to do undergo for settings and all. So, and it goes without saying, you need to complete all these requirements, and you need to configure all these settings. So for very first time, you need to actually allow the Facebook feeds to be shown, like feeds update frequency once a day, post load during update, and moderate this feed, or the auto approve post. Boost this feed is also available. I'll show you the boost option as well. So now, if we are choosing the another popular thing, Instagram, the similar screen is here, and I can show you some more. And the TikTok is not. The YouTube can be very popular. So in the under YouTube settings, you can go for the user feed, the channel, the playlist, or the content to show. Playlist reserve order, and the feed update frequency. Again, there are some more settings. In all the authorization, you need to go for auth tab, and the link will open the authorization, how you can configure the authorization and all. So you can da- put the authorization credentials here. Like if you are configuring the Google and YouTube integration, the setup guide link is here. So you can check the setup guide, follow the instructions one by one, and it is very clear and very easy. However, we are well available just in case if you need any support, and even the plugin developer is available. So the all the steps have been given very clearly through the link. You can follow and you can configure the things. Similarly, we have multiple accounts that we can directly configure here on the system. And you need to start always here if you are starting the configuration. So the setting I have shown you, the authorization screen is here. Database you can handle like snapshot management is here, and you can create a certain snapshot, like create new database snapshot will give you option uh, of point where you want to create a snapshot. Like if the uh, configuration is done and the system is working, the feeds are being pulled. So you can create a snapshot so that you may restore from this point, or you can even delete the snapshot just in case. So it is like a backup activity. Some extra features we have with the settings, like we can have the boost, like power up your social feeds with the extra features of Boost Cloud service of for ProFlow. So the plugin name is ProFlow, I must tell you, and you can choose these options if you want additional boost for your feeds, and of course for your social accounts. It will be connected. So this is a cloud service from the ProFlow, who are the creators of this plugin. Status will show you the configuration what is going, and you can even run the cron jobs from here. The hook can be run from here, so it is for manual intervention. If required, you can go for this, right? The thing, stream is here. So once you create a stream or the feed is stream, and it can be used as short code, and the short code can be placed uh, anywhere at throughout your website or in the widgets. So wherever you want to put, it will work fine. Also, once we created the stream, we have certain settings like the source settings. Of course, we need to configure the source setting. In the general settings, we have the items order. We can set the personal proportional by date, the strictly by date, or the randoms, and the lightbox type. So you can select the lightbox type. So lightbox card, by click the number of initially loaded post, and all these important settings can be done after creating the feed, like private stream, hide stream on the desktop, hide stream on the mobile device. So only the media post, the titles link, the hide meta info, the hide text, the max image resolution, and all. And for the main thing here, you can decide the stream layout, how you are willing to show the stream layout on the page or the WordPress page screen. So like masonry and the grid or the justified wall or the carousel set. Further, we have responsive settings, like we can set the 5 columns width and the 4 or the number of columns and its width, and it can be either in the gallery mode and so right. So styling options are also here, so you can configure the style how you want to exactly show with the timestamp, like the avatar style with the timestamp, and there might be centered and all, and the shape style rounded, the corner rounding, and all styling options like color configuration, background configuration, card shadow, the text alignment, the container icon style, and all such settings can be done. Further, we have custom CSS option as well. So if you want to add custom CSS to show the feeds, so you can do so. And of course, the short code is here, where you can copy the short code and paste on the page. So it is really very important when you are much considered about the styling. However, by default, all is set, so you can go for simply posting the feeds on the page. And as I said, it is not dependent to plug in external or any other plugin, or it is not dependent to the theme that you are using. So irrespective which theme you are using, you can use this plugin without any doubt. So you have to create a theme. Feed streams are here, and you can start showing the social feeds at your WordPress website page, post, and wherever you want. So it is very easy, very effective, and the docs and FAQs are also here. The complete guide is already here, so you can go for quick tutorial like thing here. So how it works, so you just need to create feed. As feeds are data, create feeds for desired source on the feeds tab. You can have post data from the source loaded and cached in the database. The second step is creating stream. The streams define how the feeds look. So the create container stream for your feeds on the stream tab, and use plenty of settings to customize layout and look of the stream. So you can read all these things and place on the page. So time to display the feeds on the page, copy stream code from the stream tab, and add it on the page using the editor. Self-posted streams will query feed. So there is a bit difference. So there can be two types of streams. Like if you are creating a stream, so it can be self-hosted stream or the cloud hosted. So the difference can be studied and understand here. So if it is self-hosted, which is the default, so default type, and it can contain, when you are using the self-hosted stream, it can contain only regular feeds your WordPress server request and cached post. So the app retrieves data from the site database to display feeds on the page. So I'm sure you are getting all these points. And if you are going for the cloud feeds, for these feeds hosted in our cloud network, so from the Flow cloud network, as I shown you, so the it can contain only boosted feeds. If you are using boost, so you can go with the cloud. By default you have to use this one, so you can create feeds and you can go for the feed settings and all. So I'm sure you will be able to handle all these things. Just in case if you have any question, write in the comment section. Read the documentation, all is well described. So of course you need to buy the plugin for configuring all these things. And as I said, you can buy the plugin at the code canyon.net, and I'll show you. Yes, so this is the link which I'm going to add in the description of this video. You need to spend $49, and this is going to be an amazing feature when you are connecting your WordPress website with your social media accounts, and it is going to put amazing effect and the experience for your visitors, and it is also going to promote your social media accounts, your website, and vice versa. So it is all good, and I'm sure you are going to use this. And if you want to explore more, don't miss to subscribe this channel, and you can continue watching hundreds of videos here on the WP Themes website related to different WordPress theme plugins, and there are hundreds of things. Hosting, how to guides are here, Insta support is here. You can join the iGrade program, business solution and all. So explore this as well. So let us meet in the next video. In this video, I answered how I can show social media feeds, how you can show social media feeds on your WordPress website very easily, very effectively. So let us meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Keep watching. Thank you.